First problem, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x by cos x plus sin x. The most important essay question. So first we take that the given problem is equals to I. That is, let I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x by sin x plus cos x plus sin x into dx. Now first we take that this is equation 1, and to the given problem we use the formula integral 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2. So in place of x we substitute that pi by 2 minus x. So this is equals to sine square pi by 2 minus x by cos pi by 2 minus x plus sine pi by 2 minus x into dx. That is, in place of x we take that pi by 2 minus x, and this is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square of pi by 2 minus x. Sine 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So it becomes cos square x by cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x plus sin 90 minus x is equals to cos x into dx. So this is equation 2. So equation 1, equation 2. Now adding both of the values. Therefore 1 plus 2 implies adding the two equations, that is I plus I. First equation value I, second equation value I. I plus I is equals to, first answer, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x by cos x plus sin x into dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Cos square x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Now here both the integrations have the same limits, that is 2I is equals to writing the single integration integral 0 to pi by 2, and here these two terms have the same denominator. So taking LCM sin x plus cos x. Now what are the numerator values? Sin square x plus cos square x. And what is this value? Sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. 1 by sin x plus cos x. So now we have to take the integration to this problem. That is, so after taking the simplification, what we get, 2I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x into dx. Now to solve this problem, we have to take that the values sin x is equals to 2t by 1 plus t square, 1 by sin x plus cos x. To solve this problem, we take the values, we substitute the values. Sin x is equals to 2t by 1 plus t square, and cos x is equals to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and dx is equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. And the value of t is equals to tan x by 2, but we don't substitute the t is equal to tan x by 2 in this problem, and we use this term to change the limits of the problem. Lower limit is equals to, so what is the lower limit value? X is equal to 0. The function is in terms of x, that is, this is the limit of the x, that is x is equal to 0. Now we substitute that this x is equal to 0 in t value. T is equals to tan x by 2, but x is equal to 0, tan 0 by 2. Tan 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So this is the first answer. And upper limit value, x is equals to pi by 2. Now substituting this value in t is equals to tan x by 2. So this is equals to tan pi by 2 by 2, 90 by 2, that is equals to 45, pi by 4, and tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. Now we replace these two values in this problem. Therefore the value of 2I is equals to integral lower limit value 0 and upper limit value 1 by sin x value 2t by 1 plus t square plus cos x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dx value dt by 1 plus t square. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and this is equals to integral 0 to 1 1 by 2t plus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dt by 1 plus t square. Now here 1 plus t square 1 plus t square gets cancelled. So this is equals to I is equals to integral 0 to 1 1 by 2t plus 1 minus t square into dt. Now how to take the integration to this step? Now clearly this is of the type 1 problem of integration. So to solve this problem, first we have to write the all terms in the order, that is minus t square plus 2t plus 1 into dt. X t square term t term constant. And this is integral 0 to 1 1 by taking minus common from the term minus of t square minus 2t minus 1 into dt. And this is equals to integral 0 to 1 by minus of t square minus 2t plus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 into dt. This is equals to integral 0 to 1 by minus of t square minus 2t plus 1 is equals to t minus 1 whole square minus 2 into dt, which is equals to integral 0 to 1 by multiplying these two values by minus here 2 minus t minus 1 whole square into dt. And this is equals to integral 0 to 1 by here in place of 2 we take that root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square minus t minus 1 whole square into dt. Now clearly this is in the form of integral 1 by a square minus x square. So 1 by a square minus x square into dx is equals to formula 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Now applying this formula to this term, so this is equals to integral 0 to 1 by root 2 whole square minus t minus 1 whole square. Now applying the formula to this term, so this is equals to 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 root 2, a is equal to root 2 log of a plus x, that is root 2 plus t minus 1 by a minus 6 root 2 minus of t minus 1, where the limits are 0 to 1. So this is equals to 0 to 1 is 1 by root 2 into, first taking that t is equals to 1, root 2 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus of minus plus 1, minus log of root 2 plus 0 minus 1 by root 2 minus 0 minus of minus plus 1. And this is equals to 1 by root 2 log of 1 and 1 cancel, this is only root 2 by root 2 minus log of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 is equals to 1 by 2 root 2 log 1. Root 2 by root 2 is equals to 1 log 1 minus, reversing the fraction here, then it becomes plus log root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. When we reverse the fraction, then here minus becomes, and minus of minus is equal to plus, and this is equals to 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. For the value of I is equals to 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 into taking the rationalization into root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So this is equals to 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 into root 2 plus 1 root 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1 whole square, that is 2 into log root 2 plus 1. Therefore I is equals to 1 by root 2 into log root 2 plus 1. So I is nothing but the given problem. Therefore the answer is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by sin x plus cos x into dx is equals to 1 by root 2 into log root 2 plus 1. The most important essay question from definite integration. That's all.